Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your iPhone model and iOS version so you know which controls appear. Once done, turn off low power mode because it limits maximum brightness. Next, make sure night shift and true tone are disabled if you need accurate brightness levels. Open Control Center to use the brightness slider for a quick change, or go to Settings Display and Brightness to access the full controls and proceed to the next detailed adjustments. Now you'll fine-tune and calibrate. Drag the brightness slider to a comfortable level and observe how apps and images respond. Then, go to Accessibility Display and Text Size and disable Auto Brightness if you want consistent manual control. This prevents automatic dips in bright sunlight or dim rooms. Also toggle True Tone and Night Shift to compare warmth and perceived brightness, because color temperature affects how bright. Finish by restarting your iPhone so all display settings apply cleanly. Once the device reboots, recheck brightness in normal use. Make sure iOS is up to date, because software fixes often resolve erratic brightness behavior. If the screen remains unexpectedly dim, test in a different lighting environment and disable profiles or wallpapers that alter contrast. If problems persist, try a diagnostic or contact Apple support. Hardware issues like a failing ambient light sensor or display mod.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.